Okay, we're gonna make some homemade macaroni and cheese. We'll make us a roux. I meant to turn on the water for the macaronis, but I turned on the skillet. We're going to heat up leftovers last night. Cabbage, ham, potatoes, and sausage. Got 1/4 cup of flour. I'm going to get my water on for my macaroni. Something's been on that burner again. Let me put this on low for a minute. Let me get my water started for my macaronis. Only time you get to salt your macaronis is when you're cooking them. Okay, in our stuff, we're going to put 1/4 of a cup of heavy whipping cream. in with our milk. And then we need 4 tablespoons of butter. Okay, let's put our macaronis in here. Seven-ounce box. Used to be 8, but inflation means shrinkflation. Yeah, that's what that means, shrinkflation. No longer 8. Okay, we're going to let these cook 10 to 12 minutes. Or until tender, the way we want them. Now we're going to add some more cheese to this when we get ready to make our cheese sauce. Okay, our macaronis are almost done, so let's get our sauce done. We got 4 ounces of queso cheese and 4 ounces of cheddar cheese with 2 ounces of mozzarella. Okay, let's put some pepper. This is our sauce from the little packet. Okay, let me test my macaronis. We don't want them too done. I don't like real done macaronis. They're done. Kick some of the water because you might need it. Thin your sauce out. have any left, you can save them for tomorrow, and then add hamburger to them, and have hamburger and mac and cheese together. It's a good combination. We used to eat that all the time. When we had leftover macaronis, we'd add hamburger the next day to them. Okay, add a little bit of our pasta water. Now test to see if we need any salt. No, I don't think we do. Cheesy, cheesy. That's what that is, cheesy, cheesy. Now you can take a little bit of milk if you think it's too thick and thin it out if you want to. Here's supper tonight. It ain't much, but it's supper. Thanks for watching. Bye.